In this video, I'm going to briefly summarize the different face and neck lift techniques. For more information about each technique and more information about other procedures, please check out my other videos. So let's talk about the different face and neck lift techniques. So there is the mini facelift, the full facelift, the full or extended neck lift, and the short scar neck lift. So the mini facelift involves an incision just in front of the ear, and it really serves to just tighten up the cheek tissue a little bit. It's a skin tightening procedure through a scar in front of each ear that moves the cheek up and tightens up the cheek a little bit, and that is essentially all a mini facelift does. A full facelift is more aggressive, and it also creates a more significant change that lasts longer. So with a full facelift, the incision is in front of the ear and behind the ear. The skin is lifted up, and the deep SMAS layer, S-M-A-S layer of the face is used to lift the cheek and treat the jowls. So that is a full facelift. When it comes to the neck lifts, a full or extended neck lift involves an incision behind the ear and along the hairline back here, and through those incisions, the extra loose neck skin is tightened up and moved upwards and backwards. That is the most reliable technique to treat loose skin of the neck. A short scar neck lift is an incision underneath the chin only. So the skin, there is no skin removed, there's no skin pulled back or up. What is done with a short scar neck lift is through this incision only, the deep muscle layers of the neck are manipulated and tightened up, and the skin is then expected to tighten up on its own because no skin was tightened or removed directly. So in other words, a short scar neck lift involves sculpting the deeper tissues of the neck and then relying on the skin of the neck to tighten up and redrape on its own. So that is the differences and a short description of a mini facelift, full facelift, short scar neck lift, and extended or traditional neck lift. And to learn more about each of those procedures, check out my different videos. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page, and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.